In this video, I will show you how to add another Gmail account on phone. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are. As you can see, I'm currently here on my Gmail on my mobile device. Now, in order to do this, all you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and press onto your profile icon. And it's going to go ahead and display all the Google accounts currently logged in on your device. Now you can see there's actually an option here called add another account. So all you want to do is give that a press. And on here, you want to select Google. Then what it's going to ask you to do is sign in with your Google account to access your Gmail. So what you would do is enter that into the box here. So I'm going to add one of my other Gmail accounts and then press next at the bottom. And then you just want to go ahead and enter your password. And once you've done that, just come down and press next at the bottom. Now it's going to take you to a screen to ask if you want to add a phone number. You don't have to do this. As you can see at the bottom, you can put yes, I'm in, or you can just go ahead and press skip. Then all you need to do is agree to the Google terms of service and the privacy policy and things like that. I've already read these, but you can read through those if you want to, and then come down and press the blue I agree button. So after doing this, it's just going to take a minute or two to get everything set up and get you signed into Gmail. So once you've done that, it's going to redirect you back to Gmail, and to access that account, all you need to do again is come and press onto your profile icon up in the top right hand corner, and you can see the account we just added, techtutor820@gmail.com. So all you want to do is press onto the account you've added, and as you can see, we can switch between the different accounts just by simply selecting the account we want to log into from the list of accounts here. So that is how to add another Gmail account on phone. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.